Welcome to a journey of rediscovery. Have you ever felt your chest grow heavy, your breath shorten, or your shoulders naturally slumped forward as the years pass by? Many believe a hunched back is an unavoidable mark of time, a fate we must simply accept. But what if I told you that is not the truth? This posture is often the result of a forgotten, forbidden zone in our bodies, the thoracic spine. Today, we are going to unlock it together for your health. The thoracic spine is the hidden key to your vitality. It is never too late to stand tall, breathe deeply, and reclaim the energy of your younger self. Hunched posture isn't just about appearance, it's about how you feel inside. When we address the root cause, we open up a whole new world of movement. Think of your spine as the pillar of your soul. Over time, habits and neglect can lock this pillar. But today we start the process of liberation. Is it a habit or is it destiny? Most of the time, it is simply a lack of the right movement. Let's break the cycle of stiffness today. I have seen many people regain their height and confidence just by focusing on this one specific area. Your body is much more resilient than you think. Imagine walking through the park with your head held high, breathing in the fresh air without any restriction or discomfort. That future is closer than it seems. A straight back allows your lungs to expand fully. Every deep breath you take is a gift of oxygen to your brain and your entire nervous system. Join me as we explore the science and the practice of spinal health. It is time to stand straight and breathe fully once again. Right now. The thoracic spine is the center of your movement. It consists of 12 vertebrae that serve as the foundation for your rib cage and your lungs. This area is designed for rotation and stability. However, when these joints become stiff, your entire upper body loses its natural ability to move and breathe. When you sit for long hours or allow your shoulders to round, the rib cage closes in. This physical compression makes it harder for your lungs to expand. You might feel like you are getting older and weaker, but often, it is just your rib cage being locked tight by a lack of spinal mobility. Scientific research from 2019 has proven a direct link between the flexibility of your thoracic spine and the total capacity of your respiratory system. Releasing tension in this forbidden zone can significantly increase your lung volume, bringing more life-giving oxygen to every single cell in your body. Think of your thoracic spine as a hinge. If the hinge is rusted, the door won't open. We are here to oil that hinge today with movement. This isn't just about bones, it's about the muscles and fascia that wrap around them. They have become shortened and tight over years of repetitive habits. A healthy thoracic spine also provides more space for your heart to function efficiently. Your internal organs need room to breathe just like you do. When the mid-back is stiff, the neck and lower back have to overcompensate. This is why many people with hunched backs also suffer from chronic pain. Modern medicine increasingly recognizes that mobility is the ultimate fountain of youth. By keeping your spine supple, you are keeping your entire system young. The modern world is designed to make us hunch. Our phones, our desks, and our chairs all pull us forward into a state of physical contraction. But your body is a masterpiece of adaptation. Once you provide the right stimulus, it begins to heal and reorganize itself towards a state of balance. You are not weak, and you are not broken. You are simply locked. And today, we have the keys to open those locks for good. Now that we understand the science, it's time to listen to your own body. Let's find out exactly where you stand with a simple test. Before we begin our exercises, let's perform a small check. Please find a flat wall and stand with your back against it right now. Try to make 3 points of contact: the back of your head, your shoulder blades, and your buttocks. Notice how your body feels in this position. If you find it difficult to keep your head against the wall without tilting your chin up, your thoracic spine likely needs some extra care today. Watch out for common mistakes, like shrugging your shoulders or arching your lower back excessively just to make your head touch the wall surface. Don't be discouraged if this feels uncomfortable. This test is not a judgment, it is simply your starting point on the path to a better posture. Keep your feet about 6 inches away from the wall to help stabilize your pelvis. This allows you to focus entirely on your upper back alignment. Can you feel the tightness in your chest or the pull in your neck? That is the language of your body telling us exactly where to work. Take a deep breath while holding this position. Does the air feel restricted? This is proof of how your posture directly impacts your vital lung capacity. You're doing great just by showing up and being aware. Awareness is the first and most important step toward any physical transformation or healing. Now that we know our baseline, let's move into the therapy phase. We will use simple tools to gently open up your rib cage and spine. Get ready to feel a sense of space you haven't felt in years. Let's begin our thoracic opening sequence together with gentle care. Our first step is simple breathing. Place your hands on the sides of your ribs. Inhale deeply and feel your ribs push your hands outward. Imagine your rib cage is a flower blooming in the sun. As you breathe in, the petals open wide. As you breathe out, they soften. Repeat this 10 times. Each breath is a gentle stretch from the inside out, loosening the tight muscles between your ribs that restrict your movement. Now, come to your hands and knees. We will begin the thoracic rotation. This move specifically targets the stiffness in your middle back area. Place one hand behind your head. Slowly rotate your elbow up toward the ceiling, following the movement with your eyes without forcing the range. Here is a coaching tip. Keep your hips as still as possible. The goal is to move from your upper back, not your waist or pelvis. Move slowly and breathe out as you rotate. If you feel any sharp pain, stop immediately and reduce the range of your movement today. Feel the gentle wringing out of tension. It's like squeezing water out of a sponge. You are releasing years of accumulated stiffness in this moment. Switch sides and repeat. You might notice one side is tighter than the other. This is completely normal. Just be patient with your body's limits. Next, we move into a modified Sphinx pose. This is excellent for reversing the forward curve and opening the front of your heart. Lie on your stomach and place your elbows under your shoulders. If this is too intense, slide your elbows further forward to reduce the curve. For those with sensitive lower backs, placing a small pillow under your belly can provide much needed support and make the pose more comfortable. Keep your neck long. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head forward. Avoid looking up too high, as we want to protect your neck. Hold this for 30 seconds. Breathe into your chest and feel the skin across your collarbones stretching and becoming more flexible with every breath. Press your forearms down gently to lift your heart higher. You aren't just stretching, you are building the subtle strength needed to stay upright. Slowly come down and rest for a moment. Can you feel the warmth in your mid-back? That is increased blood flow starting the healing process. Let's do one more, the wall chest stretch. Stand near the wall, place your forearm against it, and gently turn your body away. This opens the pectorals, the muscles that often pull our shoulders forward. When these are open, your spine can finally sit in its neutral home. Breathe into the space between your shoulder and your chest. Allow the tension of the day to melt away into the floor beneath you. Consistency is the key to transformation. Doing these simple moves for just 5 minutes a day will create lasting changes in your spinal health. Remember, breath, rotation, and extension. These are the 3 pillars of a healthy thoracic spine and a youthful, upright posture for life. You are doing amazing. Most people never take the time to learn this, but you have, and your body will thank you for it. The stiffness you felt earlier is starting to dissolve. Imagine that stiffness as ice melting under the warm sun of your own attention. Notice how it feels to stand up now. Does your head feel lighter? Does your chest feel more open? This is the new you emerging. Always listen to your body's signals. Progress isn't always a straight line, but every small effort adds up to a massive result over time. Movement is medicine, and you have just taken a powerful dose. Now, let's talk about the psychological shift that comes with standing tall. Posture is more than just bones and joints. It is a declaration of your confidence and your presence in this beautiful world. When you open your chest, you are physically opening your heart to life. You are telling the world that you are still here. Don't blame yourself for the years that have passed. Your body has been doing its best to protect you, but now it is safe to open. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal if you just give it a little bit of the right attention every single day. A noble posture will return to you the feeling of youth from deep within. It changes how people see you, and how you see yourself. Confidence is a physical state. By standing tall, you are sending signals to your brain that you are powerful, capable, and full of life. You deserve to feel this way. You deserve to take up space and to be seen. Your posture is the foundation of your inner strength. Embrace this change. Let your straight back be a symbol of your resilience and your enduring spirit as you move forward in life. The journey to a better posture starts today. I am so excited to see your progress and hear your story of transformation and health. I would love to know who you are and where you are practicing from. Please leave your name and location in the comments below. See you in the next video, where we will dive even deeper into advanced exercises. Stay strong, stay tall, and stay vibrant every day. Wishing you a life full of deep breaths and upright moments. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye for now, and take good care.